Hello, I'm Chris, and this is my Traxxas NITRO SPORT. This has a 0.15. This is the older vintage one that I bought and restored. We have a GPS on here. Getting 35 miles an hour with it. That's as fast as I can go. You can see we've burned the tires off. These are brand new rear tires. I've had to realign it 2 times. So that's a little squirrely, but we can get it to go down the road straight. So let's get started. On this one, I have to set the idle a little high. All right, let's try to get some straight speed runs with it. This is a very cool entry-level car. Get it going down the road straight. Don't get mad if yours doesn't. I had to realign this one twice. The tune's just about right on it. See, we're going straight. The short wheelbase on this one makes it difficult. Man. Throttle. All right, so I cannot get this thing to go faster than 35 miles an hour. So we're going to try to lean it out just a little bit. We're doing a 16th of a turn. Should fire right back up. Everything's working good. Ooh, I think that might have been it right there. Body, I think, is making it go faster. Man, I don't know if you heard that, but I just totaled my freaking Nitro Sport. God dang it. We'll look at it, we'll check it out, and you can see it hit the freaking truck tire right there. So let's see what we got. We better have got faster than 35. No. Why isn't this thing focusing, man? Okay. The way that I am is I don't think there's any fun in just running in an open parking lot. We actually have a road we have to stay on. Rip the freaking body through 2 pins. Shock's still good. Okay. You know, honestly, that's why I put stock parts back on there, because they're meant to rip and shear off. I've been running this for the past 2 or 3 days, so I'm not mad. I was trying to push it a little bit right now for the video, but we've seen what we needed to see. All this stuff can be replaced. I'm pretty sure I have this all at home anyway. So this is an old vintage one. This one is officially retired as of now.